It's like so crazy to think that this is just a solid hempcrete wall. We thought packing the hempcrete walls of our house would take about 6 weeks. Well, this is day 37, and we were very wrong. More than a year into building our own house, and there are days when it honestly feels like we may never finish. And right now, we've reached one of the slowest parts, packing hemp and lime around all these windows on the east wall. No big buckets, no fast progress, just one handful at a time. And a question we keep asking ourselves is, how long is this going to take? All right, I'm up on the scaffold and we're packing the east wall windows. So in here, right in there. It's basically just do one handful at a time. One loving, painful handful at a time. And half of that handful, maybe not half, but like a third of it falls down. It's very slow work. But I am in the shade now, which is good. I sent Kevin inside to take some more antibiotics and painkillers because his leg is not looking good. I don't understand why men do this, but Kevin's been working with this infection in his leg, and like, this is not healthy.
There's a dent in my leg.
Oh my gosh, like this is gonna explode. Does it hurt still to the touch?
No, it's more itchy right now.
Oh, okay.
That's because I didn't take...
You're on bed rest. This is ridiculous. Well,
this morning.
Like...
Because it doesn't hurt anymore.
Oh my gosh.
The antibiotics are working.
This house is going to kill you. First you throw your back out, then you get some random cellulitis. Is that what it's called? I tell you, this house is not doing good for him. He's had a lot of injuries. Anyways, luckily I've been good. Yeah, so today... my goal is to finish packing this side. We did start yesterday, but we didn't finish. I was being a baby. I didn't want to pack in the sun, which we should have because we had more hands yesterday to help. And today it's just me. Basically, you take a glove full, and this is going to be tricky. And then you pack it inside, and you hope that it doesn't fall down. And some of it does. You give it a little punch. And you get in there. This is basically what we're packing, all in here. And then the other side of the form is on the other side of the truss. So this is gonna be a thinner layer of hemp, even over like this stuff here. So we packed in this yesterday, and then I was a little worried now because it's better if it's a monolithic piece, like a solid piece drying together, because this will not dry really, the other stuff won't stick to it as much. But I mean, yeah, we just couldn't finish yesterday. We started too late. Yeah, so I will, like, I am wetting this down a lot before I do it. And then I even kind of rough it up a little bit. It's a little crumbly. And then pack it on because I don't want this thinner piece to just fall off. Even this extra piece here means the hemp on top is very thin. So I'm a little nervous about those pieces. But I mean, we'll just have to try and see what we can do. And if we have to go back and redo it, we go back and redo it. Yeah, look at the house. It's looking so good. I'm just amazed. We really haven't had any big red flags yet. So hopefully this is not the wall, because it does, like, again, makes me nervous that there's thinner hemp that we haven't been putting the keys in for. But yeah. Only one way to find out if it works is just to do it. But as you can see, that's why I don't really film a lot of this stuff, because it is harder to even get the camera angles in there, and then you're just seeing my backside the whole time, and this is a family show, so you know, can't just look at my butt all day. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that, just because it's not just all empty cavities that are really easy to fill. There is a lot of picky work with hemp. And it does slow you down. So as we were like doing a level like every 2 days pretty much around the entire house, it's slowed down now because of the picky stuff. So anyways, I've been chatting for a while, so I should probably just get to work because this hemp needs to be packed. I want to spray this part down again.
I'll pass you the spray. I'll just get you the spray.
Just a close-up?
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Farting on camera. I could do something for you. Red one. Here. Kevin's packing the inside, from the inside up in the master bedroom. Is that where you're packing? Kind of like
Well, like this, where it stands from
Like-
your living area to your master bedroom.
there.
They're gonna tie it together.
We're gonna tie in together, yeah. I'm just slow. I'm gonna take a water break. I'm a little thirsty. You can see where the old mix was, where we had stopped, and then like all these vertical pieces, and then we pack sideways. And we're almost done. Probably maybe another hour, hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Takes a long time to pack in behind those. But we are doing it slowly but surely. It is the end of day 38. And I know I keep saying we're getting closer, but we are getting closer. This is packed all the way up to there. All that window is packed. It needs like a little, like we packed from the outside, so it still needs to be packed from the inside as well. Still need to finish this. I keep wanting to do it and Kevin keeps wanting to put it off. So, oh well. And then this, like, it looks like it's done because we packed in the trusses, but actually we have to pack up and behind that 2x4 up there that we put up, because that's what our vapor barrier is being sealed to for the roof insulation to help pass our blower test. So we gotta we have to put some extra hemp in there to kind of make sure we'll pass the blower test. And then this is all packed from this side. We still need to go on the other side, outside, and pack. The trusses are hard because there's so many pieces of wood in the way, you can't pack it completely from one side. So we do need to do that on the other side. Well, we finally packed this window. I've been wanting to do this for a really long time, so it feels good that it's done. I worked on this. Angus helped a little bit on one of the sides, while Kevin was up doing the lime, like a lime slurry type mix on the top. So the reason for like an extra limey stuff up there is because we just have to seal our insulation vapor barrier to it. Basically, we just did a really thick lime slurry over top of the 2x4 so the air can't get underneath. That's the goal with it anyways, so we'll see what happens. But anyways, we got it done. I finished that last little bit. Where is it? This one here with no form on. I mean, you kind of have to do that. You can't put a form on everything. So yeah, but I think it looks good. Now it's all tied in to the top there. We're just gonna do that corner next. This corner you can see was not done the best. Well, it's the end of day 39 of packing hemp, and I was really hoping this was going to be the last time I'd have to erase this board. But I think we need a little while longer. The goal is to finish everything in this house today, like this part of the house today. Or no, sorry, this week, not today, this week. And then upstairs, we have like 3 levels to pack before we get into the trusses on this side, which these we fly through. Like we can do like a layer around here and the office or the bathroom and closet in like a day, less than a day. So I think if we did like 3 days up to there, and then we have another day for those levels maybe, and then trusses again. Like I think we just maybe need one end of this week to finish that part of the house, and then maybe a week to finish this part of the house.